Hey, good day guys, this is your boy Chibuzo Ago and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Payoneer to your local bank account. In fact, I'll be doing a practical example for you to see because I'll be doing it from my account. I will be withdrawing a sum of money from my Payoneer account down to my local bank account here in Nigeria. And just like I said, or from the thumbnail, you see that, like I said, it will actually make you to avoid scammers and also avoid merchants' ridiculous rates. For example, if you're doing it by yourself, you don't need a third party buyer because just like I said, avoiding scammers, there are people out there that are just out to scam. For example, once you pay them or you transfer a particular Payoneer funds to them, at the end they will not give you your money in your local currency, be it Nigerian Naira or maybe Ghanaian cedis and all that. So you're going to avoid them because you'll be doing it yourself. You'll be withdrawing your money directly to your local bank account without involving anybody. It's just between you, your Payoneer accounts, and your bank accounts in the respective country that you are, just like Asylum in Nigeria. And you can also use this method to avoid merchants' ridiculous rate. For example, I came across some people that say that some merchants here in Nigeria, they do buy Payoneer funds at the rate of some do buy 400 naira per dollar. Some went as far as 380 naira. Why? That's quite ridiculous. Just like I said, the rates are ridiculous because I know right now in Nigeria, if you go to the black market or the parallel market, you can actually exchange a dollar for between 565 naira to 570, and you can see much difference compared to the rates that the ridiculous rate that merchants will give you, which falls between 410, 415, 480. Those are ridiculous rates. If you're doing it yourself, you withdraw your Payoneer funds, exchange it at to your local bank account, then you can went as further as withdrawing the dollars, and you go to the aboki or black market here in Nigeria or maybe the country that you are and exchange it to your local currency, thereby having much more money. So that's what I'll be showing in this video because we'll be doing a practical example. I'll be doing it for my account for you to see. So if you want to avoid this two things that I say, so you should watch this video to the end. So like I would normally say, just pull up a cushion, relax, and I'll be right back.
You are welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel.
So welcome back guys. So like I said from the start, Chibuzo Agoa is my name and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So what we actually do here is a technology related channel. We actually dish out videos periodically that teaches you on how to carry out some functions all by yourself, even if you're not tech savvy enough. So we cover topics such as cryptocurrencies, mobile apps, laptops, reviews. We also talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money and the like. So if you want to be part of this channel, like I will normally say, I will indulge you to kindly hit the subscribe button, which is that red rectangular button below this video that you're watching that has the inscription subscribe. And also you can easily turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release important videos just like this. So having done that, let us go to business, which is showing how you can easily withdraw your money, your Payoneer money from your Payoneer account to your local bank account, wherever country you are, be it Nigeria or whatsoever, all by yourself without involving a third party merchant or an adventure falling into the hands of scammers. So in case you're new, this is Payoneer. It's actually a platform whereby freelancers just like myself who earn money online do receive payment from foreign clients. Actually, they actually call for their service. Yeah, so Payoneer is one of the most reliable internet receiving payment platform you can find out there. So if you're a freelancer, you want to start making use of Payoneer, in the description of this video I will drop a link whereby you use, and once you use it, is actually my referral link, you'll be entitled to $25 free Payoneer funds from the start. So I'll drop the link you can use to open a Payoneer account in the description of this video. And also if you're a freelancer and you want to actually start to make money, I will show you the means by which I used to make this money online via my Payoneer. And I'll also drop a link to my previous video on how I describe the means or the methods I use in making this money. So check the description of this video for, let me say, 3 different links on how to open a Payoneer account and also how to start making money and receiving funds in your Payoneer account. So having done that, now let's go straight to the business, and that is withdrawing your Payoneer funds down to your local bank account without using a third party. So like I said, this is my Payoneer account already. I'm already logged in, and and I'll be withdrawing these funds, which is in Great Britain pound, and 97.58 and Great Britain pound, as you can see. So I'm already logged into my Payoneer account, and the first thing you'll do if you actually want to withdraw your Payoneer funds to your local bank accounts is you have to link your local bank accounts to your Payoneer funds, and there are videos out there, and maybe I'll actually do a video how to do that, but I've already linked my bank account, so I'll just go ahead and make the withdrawal so that this video will be fast and short enough. So like I said, I'm withdrawing these funds, and as you can see below it, there's a sign that says withdraw. So I'll click on withdraw. I'm actually withdrawing this to my domiciliary bank account, which I've already included to my Payoneer account, and that's what I'll be doing. So as you can see, it's Guarantee Trust Bank, a Nigerian bank account, and it's actually a domiciliary bank account. That means that the money will be received in dollars. So like I said, I'm withdrawing the whole funds, 97.58. So at the moment it's trying to convert, and this is the rate I'll be receiving in dollars, which is $129.94. So I'm withdrawing these funds just like I said. So let's go ahead. Description, there's no need for that. So now let's preview and make our withdrawal. So yes, I'll be withdrawing $129.94. So I'll go ahead and click on withdraw, and the notification will come whereby they have to send a code to my phone number, just as you have seen. I actually use this method and this two-factor authentication method to guarantee safety, so that whenever someone logged into my Payoneer account, okay, they've sent a message to my phone, it's just by my side here. So now all I have to do is enter the code that they sent to my mobile number, okay, 423086. That's the code, so 423086. And after I've done that, I'll just click on submit for them to carry out the withdrawal process with ease. As you can see, your funds are on the way, and this notification, they will also send me an email notification to attest to this, and withdrawal will normally arrive between 3 to 5 business days in whatsoever country that you find yourself. So I'm done with this. So you can see how easy it is to bypass merchants or maybe scammers online. You just withdraw directly to your bank account, and you have to go, like myself, I have to go to my local bank accounts here in Nigeria, withdraw the dollar funds, and also go to the black market. As you can see, the money is no longer there, it's off, and is on its way to my local bank account. So you can see with that, we've come to the end of this video. As like I said, you have to have a Payoneer account, you have to link your local bank account to your Payoneer account whereby you want to withdraw the funds to. So in no distant time, maybe between 3 to 5 business days in Nigeria, that fund will actually land to my local bank account, and now I have to go make the withdrawal in cash and go to a bookie, the black market, to exchange it between 565 to 575 naira, just like I told you from the start. Having done this, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed the video enough, I'd like you to give the thumbs up. It will actually make the YouTube algorithm to push this video to people like you who actually want to see the steps and avoid scammers and ridiculous rates of merchants. So we've come to the end of the video. Like I said, give the thumbs up, and if you're confused in any section, go to the comment section, ask your questions, and I will attend to them speedily. So hit the subscribe button in case you've not done that, and anticipate for my next video. So bye bye for now. Chibzo Agua remains the name, and Blogging for Tech is the channel. So peace out.